There are four factors which are important for the growth of the plants. They are water, sunlight, minerals, and gases. The plant needs water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide to make food by the process of photosynthesis, and it needs minerals for the growth, nutrition, and other vital activities. In this chapter, we are going to study about the importance of minerals to the plants. Plants require nutrients for their growth and development. They obtain these nutrients from the air, water, and soil. Depending on the quantity of elements required by the plants, they are classified into two categories: macronutrients and micronutrients. Categories of minerals. Macronutrients are the nutrients which are required by the plants in large quantity. Example: carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, iron, etc. Whereas micronutrients are the nutrients which are required by the plants in trace or small quantity. For example, chlorine, copper, boron, etc. Now, what happens if the plants do not get enough minerals? When the plants do not get enough minerals, they do not grow properly and they look unhealthy. So, if a plant does not get enough minerals, it is said to have a mineral deficiency. Minerals are very important for the plants. Minerals are essential for the growth of the plant. Minerals are involved in the nutrition of the plant. In the absence, either the vegetative or the reproductive phase is not completed if a plant does not get a mineral in a required quantity. In case of a deficiency of a mineral, disorders may develop which can only be corrected by the supply of that particular mineral. Deficiency diseases are caused by the lack of essential nutrients. For example, nitrogen is a macronutrient which is needed by the plants for making proteins and nucleic acid. If a plant does not get nitrogen in sufficient quantity, it leads to the poor growth of the plant and the leaves turn yellow, which is known as chlorosis. Potassium is needed by the plants for enzyme activation and water balance. Its deficiency leads to the mature leaves uh, developing yellow edges. Magnesium is needed for making chlorophyll, and its deficiency leads to a disease called as chlorosis, in which the leaves turn yellow. Copper is required by the plants for activation of certain enzymes, and in its deficiency the shoots do not develop. Molybdenum is needed for nitrogen fixation, and the deficiency leads to the slow growth of the plant. Zinc activates certain enzymes, and the deficiency causes the malformation of the leaves in a plant.